Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambak penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Katanat Puli Putih ke Sorkar Jela uba lakman remboi ha ka arpusan tarik unaiwing arjarpsan layathu babon teli Shnong kila IT yaki Jaka sya Katanat Puli Putih jongka Sorkar Jela ban Shna yaki Eklavya Model Residential School hakaleng ke Jela. Ha kejengkeran bat kilat patai kubor uba rembui oloong ba kamlong kapasuk hapo ke Jela Meghalaya ban sedang yakinu ki projek bat ha kejuk kupor ulai tu ba arteli skul baladap Shna ha paham bat ha samanda kilat rekam nadu ubanai nailur.
It is not very easy in the state of Meghalaya to start any project. Having said that, I'm very thankful to the respective community, landowner and villagers who are parted their land for setting up of EMRS. And many of the location, the land have been identified, land have been given to the department for the necessary action. But not only two, because it's sanctioned beforehand, but after that, now many EMRS is in the process of construction by different implementing agency. The VAPCOS, they implement 4, and then there is Maniko, and there is also Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Corporation, which are executing this work. So, as you know that this month, the Honorable Chief Minister has visited one of the location in Amrem subdivision, Umlatkhor, where the timeline had been fixed to finish the construction on the 31st of March 2026. So we hope that we could start by the academic year. And it is not the question of why only 2. It's the question is that the ball has been set rolling, and now one after another in the next few years, it will be operationalized. See, the fund is being released by the ministry to NES, and the NES called the tender for the execution of work, where the WAPCOS, MANICOS, and Meghalaya Infrastructure Development Corporation, they are the bidders, which work have been allotted to them. So the money will be released to the respective agency depend upon the work which they execute. So that's why the ministry is releasing through the agency which implement the work. But for the Paham and Samanda, the schools which already been started last September, these schools have been, the money have released to the government of Meghalaya, and the government of Meghalaya Education Department execute the work, and it has been completed, and that those only two are executed by the Education Department of Meghalaya.